Don't worry about the money, don't worry about all that stuff, just do what's right and good things will happen.
3 people in the business to over 40, and you kind of look around like, how did this all happen?
Just being willing to take those opportunities, whether it was in-state, out-of-state, didn't matter what type of loss it was.
I started as office manager, but when there was just the 3 of us, I was definitely out in the field, extracting, demo.
In the middle of the night, I would knock on his door across the hallway. We would jump into our one vehicle and go handle the work.
When someone suffers a loss, typically a water loss, there's water on the flooring, on their carpet, and their couches, their belongings. What we do is we come in and we do damage control. We package it and remove it from the site so that way the mitigation can begin.
I get a call at 12 o'clock at night, a federal courthouse flooded. A contracting company had hit a fire sprinkler, 4 floors flooded, 4 courthouses, 3 judges' chambers, hallways, entry. This needed to be turned down in 2 weeks. We not only got complimented by the contracting company that opened up their arms and gave us a big hug saying, you guys pretty much saved our company from going under, as well as the judges. Everyone ended up extremely happy with our services and our end product.